Primetime news this evening. Another flatbridge tragedy. Vehicle plunges into the rear cubby, claiming the life of a St. Catherine man. Full speed ahead. The government moving forward with plans to declare Portmore a parish despite opposition's concern. And claiming what's lost, PNP set on regaining key seats in the upcoming general election.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Coming up in business news, government renews commitment to fighting bureaucracy.
And Renata Brown is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, Janelle, I can tell you that the West Indies women, they are in danger of missing out on a place at the 50-over World Cup in India later this year. They lost to Pakistan women at the qualifiers today. We'll tell you all about that and so much more in Primetime Sports.
Thank you, Reynardo and Janella. The weather was confusing today. Yeah. Overcast, windy, a little drizzle here and there. Romain, what's happening?
That's true, Andrea. We did have a little bit of everything across the island for most of today, and we are expecting similar conditions tomorrow. We do have some showers, should be scattered across sections of the east in the morning, in the west in the afternoon, and we also have windy conditions expected across most of the south coast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, as a motorist, what precautions do you take when traveling on the flatbridge?
That's easy. Wind down your window. Anyway, you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.